Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a video for the love of crafting and sharing. So excited to have the time to get this in this month. I had to go on hiatus the last couple months. So the theme for this month, which is perfect, it is grateful. It says anything goes here, photos of people you're grateful for, grateful lists, etc. Even a collection with grateful in the name. Let's celebrate being so far into this series. So I'm going to show you the photo to start with, because this one's pretty odd to go with grateful, but sometimes the mind twists and turns as you go with your ideas. So this is an AE coin, which stands for account executive, and this is my oldest daughter's hand. And she graduated. Her start date for her first big girl job got pushed back because of COVID. Then she graduated, and they give them a coin to show them that they graduated. And then when you get 50 deals, you get a 50 coin, 100 coin, etc. And every month you hit certain goals, you get them. So that's kind of cool. And she Snapchatted it with a big dog. So I have had this graduation kit forever. And it's from Bella Boulevard. Oh, let me tell you why I'm grateful. This girl works so incredibly hard. And I'm grateful that she has applied things we have taught her, and she has reached for the stars, and she's actually practically sitting on one at this point. She's number 2 in her tenure, by the way. Yes, proud mom. So I know I'm going to use this graduation paper because it says grad on here and congrats and all that. I think that's awesome. But let me see, when is this collection from? Does it say? It says Bella Boulevard. It's called Pop Quiz. And I am not getting intel about when it's from. It's made in the USA. Good to know. Anyway, I've had it kicking around forever and a day, and these pieces do not say when they're from. One of you guys know. You guys know everything. Anywho, I'm going to use this, but I'm also trying to work through some different sketches and all that kind of thing. So I'm going to decide what I'm going to do. I don't know. But I know I'm going to use this paper. And then let me see. I have the hardest time using cardstock. It's not a bad thing to use when things are busy. So maybe I will use this really bright blue cardstock with it. I need to bring in some of this navy, so I'm going to bring in some of these pieces. Oh, this kit, this was from, I don't know if I told you, the ScrapRoom. And it included one piece of this cut-apart sheet. The lockers are hilarious. That might be fun. This sticker sheet, which is probably from a Bella Boulevard sticker book. I have no idea, as well as some die cuts. But see how this globe piece here matches the grad word here? Maybe I'll bring it up a little bit more. See, the blues are the same. So I want to definitely make sure to bring that in. The test tube, that's a little bit of a stretch, along with this biology and those pieces. Report card works, and that's awesome. Pass this note, please. That might be kind of cute too. So I just have to decide. I like this. I like these lockers because that's kind of funny. Pause off my laptop. That would work for this, and it also brings in that blue. So I might just have this as a strip going across this and bring in some of this. All right, I'm getting a little bit better of an idea where I want to go with this already. Then we have some white cardstock in here, and then this is rather science-y. So that's a little bit more high school than what I want to go with this. Let's see, what's the back side of this paper? Oh, so it's a bunch of formulas. Super cool. These might end up getting passed along, though, to somebody else because I don't have anybody in a math class at this point. We'll see how that goes. I like this to map my photo. So yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of fun with this. All right, actually I can map my photo in some of this white. Do I do that? I think I do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff matted. I'm gonna get a bit of a design idea going down. I'm probably gonna have to grab some kind of thickers, maybe in black or that navy if I have them, to bring in more of the navy idea because I really wanna bring in that color. Not so sure with any of these about this teal, so I might be chucking those to the side as well. So what I need to do is mat this a couple times on these two papers, find some either that really nice royal /navy blue that we see here, maybe a little gold because it looks like that's in the coin, or do you think that's silver? All right, let's stay away from metallics since I don't know. But I do know I can bring in black. So let me grab these pieces and we're gonna come up with something I think maybe grateful for all of your hard work, something like that. And I think I'm gonna get myself a glare. Let me move my light. Okay, I'll be back in a minute when I have a little bit better idea of what I'm doing. Okay guys, so let me show you what I did. I went ahead and cut out just a couple of the pieces of the pattern paper because I need to come up with some kind of little cluster piece up here. I did go ahead and double matted my photo in that white cardstock as well as the blue airplane paper. And this is the cut apart sheet that came with that kit. And I just went ahead and left it whole and backed it on this really bright blue basil. It is called Atlantic. And I used my notebook punch to do the little notebook piece on the top, the little notebook paper tear piece. And for these pieces that I wanted to use, I used a little bit of craft foam, little Frankenstein pieces. I'm going to put them somewhere along the side. Now my title, I found some navy blue stickers. They're a Hip Kit Club exclusive product, and I don't know when from, but it's from way back when I used to belong to that club. So it's been quite a minute, and I'm thinking I need to get that onto this yellow because that's where it is showing up the best. So I'll put these guys down once I have a spot for them. So that's what I know so far. Let me get these pieces down. Oh, and I also went into my blue color drawer and found this good little label piece because I needed some of that blue brought up here. I like these stars, and I also have my red and yellow color drawer out. So I will find a couple little goodies of red and yellow to put up there as well. But once I get a little closer to that, I will bring you back and show you my progress. All right, let's see how we can work on this. I have this glued down with some liquid adhesive. Now I did go into my yellow color drawer, my blue, as well as my red. I found this little cell phone, which is perfect for the kind of work she's doing. So I'm thinking, and seriously, I don't even know what this is from. It's like 300 years old, but that's just kind of how my color drawers are. I have all kinds of things. Like after I've used up a whole embellishment pack and I have a couple pieces left, then I throw them in there. My color drawers, I mean these. This is the only one I have combined with orange and yellow because I seem to have very few of those colors. So let me go ahead and just kind of pop this up wherever. That will work. And I did find this yellow washi in the yellow color drawer. So I'm thinking that might be kind of cute to get a little bit of that on, because why the heck not? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just tear that piece off around that side. Now this is clearly a new washi because it has a clean edge. So I like to have a bit more of a torn edge on my washi. So I have that, and it's not straight, but you get the idea. So I want to go ahead and get some of these primary colors on here in just a few places. Now I know I want this globe on here, but I wanted to have somewhere to rest. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit of washi over here as well, which is bringing all those colors and thoughts and ideas together. Yay! Which we do like, because I'm playing up this whole graduation thing, even though she graduated for something at work. But you know what? I'm the boss of me. I'm making it work. So let's go ahead and use this. This is tape runner adhesive, by the way, which is awesome. And let me go ahead and do this. And then that's giving the globe a reason to be able to work. We have navy, navy, navy. And the word grad is in navy. And it looks like for the most part we have the two clusters. So that might be enough for that yellow cluster. Let me see. So I'm done with my wax paper. My tortured wax paper, I use this stuff for months until it's time for a new one. Works out. Now past this note, I'm not really seeing a point for that. That's fine. And what else do I have? I like these stars, and I can also look for some little words in my little word stickers if I have to bring this together. Let me see if there's any. So much happy. This is just next to me on my desk. That works. So much happy. I don't even know what that means. It's from a birthday collection, so You know, do I put it there or right down here? Kind of like it right down here, as if it's kind of coming off of this piece. All right, so that tealy color works. But you know what? It's kind of acting like it needs a little bit of extra adhesive. And these are great. These are by Cocoa Vanilla. Slightly older collection, but let me tell you, the cardstock sticker weight is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Oh, I like Cheers too. And I like Check It Out. So those are all towards that navy color. So I have some little word stickers. I have a thing for little word stickers. Oh, and once again, let me go ahead and just get some adhesive on each of these because it asks for some. Let me trim the edge of this Cheers word down. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to get a couple of these little pieces on. And then the next thing to show you, and see, I can just do that. I found some Bella Boulevard stars in a good color. And I also found some of these Illustrated Faith Hexies. So I might have enough yellow on, so I'm going to do that. I need to find maybe some red enamel dots. Let's go ahead and put these away because I feel like I'm yellow enough. Does that make sense? Okay, it does in my head. So much happy. I have Cheers up here. Does that look like it's not? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, chances are I have something crooked because I'm doing it. Therefore, it would be crooked, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put this right here. So that's cute. I have some little word stickers. That's making me happy. I'm now hiding this word Cheers too much. And I even trimmed it. So it's going to be me. Okay. There. So I have that. Let's get some of the stars on. I'm going to look for some red enamel dots. And I will be back ever so soon and we'll wrap this up. All right, guys, I'm finishing this one up rather quickly. Nice and simple for this little graduation photo. So my title ended up being Ever So Grateful for You, which I do believe takes care of the grateful idea that we were talking about. I brought in some really old stash, which I love to do. I love to be able to grab some old stash, my friends. I haven't used these forever. Brought in a couple things from my color drawers. I'm really excited that I brought my color drawers upstairs. They were in my old craft room still. So that is about it. I will leave the links down below for everybody else who is in the hop today for the love of crafting and sharing. I hope you like what I came up with. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Bye-bye, friends.